Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We are dealing with grooves from Mozambique, and we are featuring some artists from Mozambique. I would appeal to you to put some more information about these songs because I I need to know a lot about these as well, so that more people can be exposed to these songs. They're beautiful pieces from Mozambique. So here, that's the groove. From Zico and Denny. That's the song is called Marozana. Marozana. Okay. So here we are playing here on string number 3, fret number 3. So if we do a major scale there, so that's the key there. If you're gonna find out, this is A and B. That's A sharp, B. That's a C there. It's as simple as that. So this is another running down another song that runs down the scale. So you strike that root, then you go to the 5th, 4th, 3rd. You can sometimes skate the 3rd there. So you leave the 3rd. So you go. Okay. So you're playing root, 5th, 4th, 2nd, and 5th octave. The octave of this. So that up there. Very simple groove there, and you need to listen to that song and put that in context. It's called Marozana, the song. Okay, just for a short interlude here, so that we can I can bring you some more. So you see that it's a 3rd. You can actually, instead of hitting this twice, you can 3rd, 1/3, 1/3. That's the other variation that happens there. There's the first variation, which avoids the 3rd. Now the second the second variation, it goes 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, and 5. Then okay, that's that there, and we're gonna see the second part. Okay. So still, the second part for this song is there. It goes. Now, what you can do is you can pick this note here from there. So you can go. Okay, now let's put it into, just want to So 1, 3, 4, and so then if you check this one out, so kind of the mixolydian here, because that's a 7 there and that's flat there. So this scale here is, now we are in the key of like I said, this is A, and that's a B there, and that's C there. So this is C mixolydian. C mixolydian. You got a flat 7 there. Okay. So this flat 7 here can be taken here. So you can do. So you better use this finger here. So okay, that's pretty simple there. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. That was Marozana there from Zico and Danny from Mozambique. Please, if you know a lot about this artist, you're welcome to write something down there so that we may get to know a lot about this artist from Mozambique. I'll see you in the next episode.